Hello students, today I am going to teach you 10th class chapter 7 coordinate geometry exercise 7.1. Here is a question, it is a sixth question. In exercise 7.1, this is the sixth question. Show that the following points form an equilateral triangle A, A, 0, B, minus A, 0, C, 0, A root 3. See, what they ask? To show that these three vertices are belongs to the equilateral triangle. Let us go to solve this question. See, if we draw a triangle, that this is A and it is B and this is what? C. And A vertices are what? A, 0 and B is minus A, 0 and C is 0, A root 3. So first we want to find out the distance between AB. Distance between AB. Where what is A? A is A, 0 and B is minus A, 0. And next write the distance formula. AB is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and make it as a box. This is formula. Now assume the first point vertices, the points are x1, y1 and the second point coordinates are x2 and y2. Write AB is equals to under root of x2. x2 value is minus A, and write the formula minus x1. x1 is also A whole square plus y2. y2 is what? 0, and write the formula minus, and y1 is 0 whole square. Yes. Now write AB is equals to under root of minus A is minus 2A whole square plus 0 minus 0 is a 0, 0 square is 0. AB is equals to under root of minus square is plus and 2 square is a 4 and A square. The square is belongs to for minus and 2 and A. And now AB is equals to separate the square root to 4 and A square, then it will root 4 and it is what? Root A square. So right now AB equals to the value of root 4 is what? 2, and square root get cancelled, remains A. Therefore AB is equals to 2A. The distance between AB is what? 2A. 2A units. Now we need to find out the distance between BC. Distance between BC. Right? B vertices is what? Minus A, 0 and C is 0, A root 3. Let the first point coordinates are x1, y1 and the second point coordinates are x2, y2. And right now distance formula BC equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and make this is box. Next, BC is equals to substitute this x1, y1, x2, y2 values in this formula. So under root of x2 is 0, write the formula minus, and x1 is what? Minus A, minus into minus plus A whole square plus y2 is what? A root 3, and write the formula minus, and y1 is 0 whole square is equals to under root of 0 plus A is A square plus a root 3 minus 0 is what? A root 3 whole square equals to under root of, write the a square as it is, plus now the square is separate to a and root 3. So write a square and root 3 square. Root 3 whole square is what? Square root get cancel, there remains only 3. It is equals to under root of, write the first a square as it is, plus a square into 3, 3a square, and equals to root a square. It means what? 1a square. 1a square plus 3a square is a 4a square equals to, now this root is separate to 4 and a square. Root 4 is 2 and root a square is what? A. How? The square and root get cancelled, so remains only a. So BC is equals to also 2a. The distance between BC is also 2a. Yes. Next, we need to find one more distance, that is what? AC. Right here, distance between AC. A is equals to what? A comma 0 and C equals to 0 comma a root 3. Now assume this is x1 y1 and it is what? x2 y2. Right? AC formula, AC is equals to under root of x2 minus x1. AC distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And after this, make it is box like this. Then substitute this x1 y1 and x2 y2 values in this formula. Right? AC is equals to under root of x2. What is x2? x2 is a 0 and write the formula minus, and x1. x1 is what? A whole square plus y2. What is y2? A root 3. And then write formula minus, and y1. y1 is a 0 whole square equals to under root of 0 minus a is what? Minus a whole square plus a root 3 minus 0 is a root 3 and a whole square is equals to under root of minus square is a plus and a square is what? A square plus, here the square is separate to a and root 3. So write a square into root 3 square is what? Square and root get cancelled, 3 remains is equals to under root of, this is what? 1a square. So 1a square plus a square into 3 is 3a square equals to 1a square plus 3a square is 4a square. After this we can separate the root to 4 and a square. Root 4 is 2 and root a square is what? Square and root get cancelled, a remains, so it is 2a. The distance between AC is also 2a. So finally we can conclude the distance between AB and the distance between BC and the distance between CA, these three are equal, which is what? 2a units. That's what the given the vertices are belongs to equilateral triangle. So we can write given the, otherwise we can finally write hence proved. So in question only they are asked to show that the points are the equilateral triangle. So what is the condition of the equilateral triangle? 3 sides should be equal. In a triangle, 3 sides. What are that? AB and BC and CA. These 3 must be equal. So in this solution we got the 3 sides are 2a, 2a, 2a. That's what hence proved.